If you ask anyone who drives an SUV about the importance of good tires, they'll tell you it's like having the perfect shoes for a tough hike. And that's exactly what the IKON Tyres character Aqua SUV tires bring to the table. These are monster tires, designed to handle life's rough roads while keeping your ride smooth, safe, and fuel efficient. Yes, you get an all-in-one package with IKON Tyres character Aqua SUV that keeps your vehicle moving forward without you having to worry about your tires giving up on you. Let's imagine you're driving along a bumpy trail, one that's soaked from a recent rainstorm. Most tires might struggle to give you the stability you need, but the IKON character Aqua SUV tires are built differently. Their tread patterns feature special central ribs with carefully designed grooves. These grooves do the heavy lifting by keeping the central ribs strong and clearing water from the contact area between the tire and the ground. This means better grip, less chance of skidding, and confident control even when the terrain is challenging. It's like having a set of all-terrain tires that also excel in wet conditions. Now, for most of you, the make might sound unfamiliar. Well, this is because the name has been changed now. These tires were actually known as the IKON Nordmann S2 SUV until 2025, but no matter the name, their performance remains unbeatable. Built for small and medium SUVs, they offer a perfect combination of reliability and efficiency. One of the coolest features of these tires is their strength. The sidewalls are designed to be tough, which means they can handle a lot of wear and tear without breaking a sweat. This is helpful for off-road adventures and also for daily commutes, where potholes and curbs can quickly damage weaker tires. Long life and high durability mean you won't have to worry about changing tires often, which means more savings for you in the long run. At this point, you might be thinking about how well they perform when it comes to steering and handling. Well, you'll be happy to know that these tires respond to every twist and turn of your steering wheel with precision. Whether you're navigating narrow city streets or weaving through rugged mountain roads, they give you control that feels both smooth and powerful. It's like the tires are working with your car to bring out its full potential. The name might have changed from Nokian Tyres to IKON Tyres, but the exceptional quality and performance remain the same. Since the spring of 2023, this trusted brand has been rolling out the same reliable tires you love, now with a fresh identity. The plant in Vsevolozhsk continues to produce the same tried-and-true tires, but they now proudly sport new names on the sidewalls. For those who want premium performance, there's IKON Autograph, while IKON Character caters to the mid-price segment without compromising quality. What makes IKON Tyres so exciting is their commitment to excellence. All the advanced processes, innovative technologies, and secret tire recipes have been preserved to ensure a seamless driving experience, just like before. Every single tire undergoes automated production, paired with an impressive 200% quality control process. That means you're not only getting a product you can trust, but also one that guarantees high performance in any condition. So, overall, the IKON character Aqua SUV tires make driving exciting, confident, and efficient. They're the perfect blend of durability and technology, the kind of ally any SUV driver would want under their vehicle. Be it a bumpy off-road track or smooth city roads, these tires will make sure you never compromise on your driving experience. In addition to its top-of-the-line features, the IKON character Aqua SUV tires also prioritize safety for both drivers and passengers. With advanced technology and superior design, these tires provide excellent traction and handling in wet and dry conditions, reducing the risk of accidents. They are also designed with durable sidewalls to enhance stability and prevent blowouts while driving at high speeds. So this is everything about the IKON character Aqua SUV tires. Whether you are looking for high performance, comfort, or safety, these tires have got you covered. Let us know in the comments what you think about the features and performance of these tires. Have you tried them before? How was your experience? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up to show us some support. And don't forget to subscribe, because we'll be bringing you the latest updates on such news and much more. Goodbye.